Starting off our list at number 5, we have the automatic cat litter box by UPass. This model is specifically designed for medium-sized cats and kittens, making it an excellent choice for single cat households or homes with smaller felines. What stands out is its ultra-quiet performance, operating at a mere 35 dB, so quiet it's comparable to a whisper. If you're a light sleeper or have noise-sensitive pets, this could be a game changer. The UPass litter box features smart app integration, allowing you to monitor your cat's health in real time. Through the app, you can track weight, time spent in the box, and usage frequency. The drum is fully washable, making maintenance simple and straightforward. However, the model lacks some advanced safety features like anti-pinch mechanisms that other boxes in this lineup include. Additionally, its design feels more suited to smaller cats, so those with larger breeds may want to look elsewhere. Overall, the UPass litter box is an affordable and straightforward option for tech-savvy cat owners with smaller feline friends. It's not the most advanced on this list, but it gets the job done quietly and efficiently. Pros include its low noise level and easy maintenance, while cons include limited suitability for larger cats and fewer safety features. Coming in at number 4 is the Mintakawa Automatic Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. This model is particularly ideal for kittens and medium-sized cats, making it a great fit for multi-cat households. The standout feature here is its impressive app connectivity. It supports both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so you can track your cat's weight, litter box visits, and even the duration of their bathroom breaks in real time. However, there's a catch. Assembly is required, and it can take up to 90 minutes to put together. While Mintakawa does offer a pre-assembled version, sold separately, this extra step may be a deal-breaker for those looking for a plug-and-play solution. On the bright side, the unit operates quietly at under 35 dB and includes anti-pinch safety features, ensuring your cat's safety during operation. The 86L capacity is decent, though not the largest in this lineup. In summary, a Mintakawa is a good choice for those who don't mind a bit of setup and want detailed health monitoring features. Pros include its app connectivity and anti-pinch safety, while cons include the time-consuming assembly process and limited suitability for larger cats. Taking the number 3 spot is the Segamus Automatic Cat Litter Box. This model is all about simplicity and reliability. Its open-style design is particularly appealing to cats who may be hesitant about enclosed spaces. This makes it a great option for first-time users of self-cleaning litter boxes. It's spacious enough to accommodate cats of all sizes, and the anti-pinch safety feature ensures your pet stays protected during operation. Another highlight is the app control. You can monitor and manage the litter box remotely, receiving real-time updates about cleaning cycles. Maintenance is straightforward too, with a lift-out drum that makes cleaning quick and easy. However, the lack of a lid might not be ideal for households with messy cats who tend to kick litter around. Overall, the Segamus offers a balanced mix of safety, convenience, and usability. It's perfect for multi-cat households or anyone looking for a user-friendly, open-design litter box. Pros include its spacious design and easy maintenance, while cons include the potentials for litter spillage due to the lack of a lid. In the number 2 spot, we have the famree self-cleaning litter box. This model stands out for its massive 95-liter capacity, making it ideal for multi-cat households. The 15-liter waste compartment is sealed, meaning you can go days without having to empty it, perfect for busy families or those who travel frequently. It supports both clumping and silica-based litters, giving you some flexibility in your choice of litter. Safety is a top priority here, with infrared motion sensors that pause cleaning when your cat is nearby. The removable, washable liner is a fantastic addition for those looking to reduce long-term costs and keep things hygienic. This model also connects to a smartphone app, allowing you to schedule waste disposal and monitor usage. However, at 13.2 pounds, it's a bit bulkier than some other models, which could make placement tricky in smaller spaces. The famree offers excellent value for households with multiple cats. Pros include its large capacity and robust safety features, while cons include its bulkier design and higher weight compared to other options on this list. Finally, at number 1, we have the Kit Plus self-cleaning litter box, and this one truly ticks all the boxes. With its open top design, it's perfect for multi-cat households or first-time users of automatic litter boxes. The design reduces fear and hesitation among cats, making the transition simple and stress-free. Even larger breeds will feel at home here, thanks to the roomy layout. What sets this model apart is its combination of convenience and technology. The 10L waste bin can hold up to 14 days of waste for a single cat, meaning less frequent cleanup. The app control allows you to monitor bathroom habits and control cleaning cycles remotely, while safety sensors ensure your cat is always protected. Plus, it operates at an ultra-quiet 20 dB, so you'll barely notice it working. The Kit Plus is perfect for anyone looking for a premium, worry-free solution to litter box maintenance. Pros include its spacious design, ultra-quiet operation, and smart app features, while cons are difficult to find. It's no surprise this model takes the number 1 spot on our list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.